Yes, I'm extra. When you like something, you should buy it twice. And if you want to buy it twice, just get a different color. And this is not even all of it.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things.
Hey gems, and welcome back to Mae Chronicles. In today's video, we are doing a Shein try-on haul, but baby edition. Okay, let's get into it. I've already taken everything out of the packaging because I want to, make this video as smooth and efficient as possible. So we're about to do a mini haul. Well, really it's not a mini haul because I got so much stuff, but we're about to do a haul for what I bought my baby. If y'all see me looking at two cameras, that's because I am filming at the same time. You gotta like get it how you live. So yeah, we're gonna start with the stuff that I got for the baby from Amazon. This is the ink pads. I know they do it at the hospital, but I want to do my own, so this is what this is. I have this cute jean jacket. It was only like $10. I caught a sale. We'll put all of the things that I bought in the description, in the bio. But it's cute. I think this is a Carter's jean jacket. And it's 9 to 12 months. It is so cute. Of course, I'm going to wash all his stuff before he gets here. And I will be filming a video for that as well. And it's like some more things from Amazon. And then, yeah. I got these cute little bottles. Look how small they are. I think this is the 5 ounce. Yeah. 5 ounce. This is anti-colic 2-pack. This is how you look. Is it going to focus? Trying to focus on me. One more thing that I'm not going to open, but I will show you guys. It's not that heavy. That's how I can just pick it up and, But that is a tummy time play mat that I got for him. And it's actually like a 3-in-1 or 4, something in one, where it turns into a ball pit. I just got to get the balls for it. Okay, so now we're about to get into the Old Navy stuff. I want to open this stuff off camera because I have so much stuff like Old Navy and Shein that I want to show y'all, but I don't want this video to be too long. So this is the bag from Old Navy. Alright y'all, so first I got this cute jacket right here, and this is my, I don't know if this is Old Navy or it says Gap ink, but I think Gap is like Old Navy, not Carter's. It's Old Navy, Gap, and Banana Republic, and Athleisure, whatever that word is. But I think I got this stuff from Gap. Or is it Old Navy? Oh, it's Old Navy. So this cute little jacket. Oh my god, what size is this? This is 0 to 3 months. Like, this is so cute. My mom still has my jacket that's kind of like this, but it's a Nike, like an orange Nike jacket that he is definitely going to wear. Then I got these cute onesies. The sizing is 0 to 3. I know that a lot of people are probably going to get me newborns in 0 to 3, but I want to get some things that I know I'm going to like. So yeah, this is how it looks. They're all the same, just 3 different colors. Y'all. Okay, and then I only opened one of these because I have 3 of the same jackets, just different colors. Yes, I'm extra. When you like something, you should buy it twice. And if you want to buy it twice, just get a different color. Don't buy the same thing twice. That won't make sense. So I got this. Y'all, I want the ones, I have some on my registry that are like just like the teddy bear ones. I want those so bad. Like, if y'all don't buy them, I'm going to buy them. But this is so cute, and it's footed, so like his feet will be enclosed in this as well and keep him warm because he is going to be a winter baby. So this is how this looks, and this is also 0 to 3. So when I buy clothes, I try to think about, it only makes sense to buy things within the weather. So he's going to be 0 to 3 during the winter time, and then 3 to 6 months will be like spring, summer. So yeah, I thought about that when I was buying his stuff. But it's so cute. Imagine my little baby in here. Okay, so now we're about to do the Shein haul. I have so much stuff, y'all, that I bought from Shein, but let's get into it now. I'm gonna do like I did on my last mini haul. This, I don't even consider this a mini haul, because if baby boy was here and he was trying these clothes on, it would be forever. But we're about to, I don't even know if I can pick this one up. Let's see. So this is all the stuff that I bought for baby boy from Shein. It's literally so much stuff, and this is not even all of it. I literally bought him so much stuff, y'all. Oh my god. I tried to like do a video with all the stuff. This is not even half. Let's really get into it. So this was like I purchased a maybe like 16 or 15 piece set. It came with mittens, bibs, hats. I don't know what this is, maybe like a burp cloth. That's what it is, but it's like really small. So I don't know. Then I got some cute outfits. This is still a part of the like 15 or 17 piece. This cute onesie. Y'all, I'm not that much against the buttons, but this is like something he would wear during the day. He would not wear this at night, because at night we gotta have the zip. But this is so cute. Mommy's little sunshine. I love these little shirts though. This is so cute. As I'm showing y'all, I'm looking at it too, because I bought this stuff like a month ago. And it says Mommy's little sunshine as well. Then we got this cute onesie. The quality is thin, but it's like a really soft material. The material is tea. I like it. And it's different from the one I showed previously. So I don't know if they put it in the description, but you know, I'm gonna put my links in the description for y'all, so y'all can get it if y'all like it. Not that I really like the, like, clouds are cute and all of that stuff, but I just really like the color, so I just decided to get this. But it's kind of repetitive now that I'm looking at it. Then I have this stripe, and it also has like the cloud sunshine supposedly on there as well. And then, okay, so this is like a burp cloth, and this material, whatever this is really freaking soft. Oh, this is, what is this? I don't know what this is, but it has a hole on both sides. This is what it is. Oh no, it's not a hole on both sides. What is this? Maybe I can, do I put him in here? Like, don't judge me if that's wrong. But this is what that is. We're done with like the 15, 16 piece, whatever that is. Whatever it is, I can actually just look at it right now. Let's see. It is, oh my god, they don't even tell you how many pieces it is. Is you serious? I gotta count these myself. It is 14 items. So I was close. I said 15. I got him a couple of outfits that look like this, because I don't know what I want him to wear when he fresh out. And this is a size 1 to 3. And it also came with this cute hat. Y'all gonna see a lot of that as I go through this. Now that I'm thinking about it, I should have got it in navy blue, because that's like the family colors for us. Green is like the family colors for me and my mom and my dad, but we over here, we like navy blue. And I got this in a size 3 to 6 months because it'll be my birthday, and I'm thinking about like we can take pictures or we could do something like that, you know. This is cute. This is not neither my family colors, on my parents' side, or my family comes with my man, but it's on my parents' side. But it's cute. So I don't know what I'll wear, but we gotta match the baby. Cause family pictures gonna be taken all the time now. Period. Like, oh my god. I got this. Now this is probably gonna be the one he wears. Probably. But this is a size 1 to 3. When he first out is what I'm saying. But this is this one. And it comes with a cute hat as well. I feel like I should let him do a try on when he get here. But that'll be a lot. Like, him trying on all these clothes just for a video and then taking them off. Probably not. Maybe we'll do a try on, like a weekly video. Next outfit is this. Can never go wrong with black. Black goes with everything. I'll tell y'all what size this was. This was 56. I don't know what 56 is. I think that was the smallest size they had, so I'm assuming that it's the 1 to 3. Because I don't think Shein sells newborn, or if they do, they don't sell that many. Yeah, and this is size 1 to 3. It is a 2-piece set, and this is how it looks. And these are the bottoms to go with it. Yeah, I'm only halfway through. So this is like the first bit. I still got all of this to go. And my camera is on 10%. So we gotta speed it up. This, I don't know how I feel about this because it kind of looks girly. But when I was looking at the reviews, I'm like, I had to go check to make sure. Because I'm like, why does it look like that? And I don't know, maybe I'm thinking about the fit of it just doesn't sit right with me. But it's kind of stretchy. So I went on Shein because I'm like, I know I wouldn't have bought this if it was like girly. And it had a picture of, like, the reviews showed little boys in the outfit. So I'm just like, okay, so it gotta, like, it's a unisex outfit. But I think it said boys when I clicked it. But probably because they had already seen me putting boy clothes in the cart. So they slick. But, you know, I can't be mad at them. But this is how it looks. This is also a two-piece set. This is 1 to 3. And these are the bottoms to it. It just looks like really small. So that'll be one of the first outfits he wear. Once I wash all his clothes, I'm going to organize them based on the size. If you got kids, you probably know this. But depending on the brand, the company, and all of that stuff, in the material, clothing can fit different for... Even though it's the same size, it can fit different. So this is going to be one of the first outfits he wears because it don't like he'll wear it for too long. And as you can see, it says Daddy's Mini. And this is a size 1 to 3. Oh no, this is probably going to be the one he wear. But I don't want to be cliche and let him wear blue, like light blue or baby blue, whatever color this is. But it's this cute hat. The top, and this is the size 0 to 1. Also, they do have newborns, so this is probably gonna be the one he wears. Oh my god, look how small it is. I don't think I got that many 0 to 1s because I know people are probably gonna try to buy newborns, so I won't buy it. But this is a 3-piece set, and this is this. Yeah, I'm on 3%. Why is my camera dying this quick? This is a size 6 to 9 months. It says, the meaning of life is to accept challenges. It says, confidence is not afraid of challenges. I can see me putting him on some drip with this one. That's going to be too cute. 2-piece set. It has the hat. As you can see, the hat is huge. Like, I can basically put this on. And then this is bigger, so this is giving like at least 6 to 9 months. No size on here. This, which is 3 to 6 months, and it's a 2-piece set. What I like about these clothes is not too much going on. Like, I didn't want any dinosaurs and toy cars on the outfits. Like, no, leave that. Then I got this, and that goes with the bodysuit. Is a 2-piece set, and we're almost finished, y'all. Hopefully my camera don't die before then. This is size 1 to 3 with these cute bottoms, And this was a 3-piece, basically, of, I call them wife beaters or white beaters, but basically that's what they are. Undershirts. But he'll wear them around the house. So if it's like, it's going to be, these are 3 to 6 months. So he can wear these like in the summer, basically. This is how they look. We have white, gray, and black. So this is a 2-piece set. We got this. This color is so cute to me. And it's in the size of 1 to 3. Only thing is, this is not like a, it's not really a color like for winter, which is okay though. It's giving Grinch. And these are my 2 favorites, y'all. Had to say the best for last. It says, feeling cute, might shit myself later. Then we got, I only cry when ugly people hold me. So if my baby cried and you held him, it's your fault. I'm just playing. But I just thought it was cute. It was cute. It was cute. So, oh, I still have a couple more things to show y'all. So, let me try to hurry up. But this is all of the clothes that I got him so far. I got him these for when he starts crawling. They're like knee pads. I think it's a 6-piece. It's like colors ranges from navy, dark grays, light grays, etc. Then I got him these cute bear socks. I think this is like a 6-piece as well. This is like a 10-piece set. But oh my god, look how small they are. These are so cute. And these are like blues, neutrals, whites, blacks, grays, all of that good stuff. This is some hats and mittens. White, light blue, navy. This smells like real wood. So this is what I plan to use. His monthly pictures, they're all mixed up. So I just pulled the first 2 I could, and then we're going to continue. Something else that I can show y'all. I'm not going to open it because we're pressing for time because this battery's on 2%. But this is like a thing that I would wear, and it like swaddles him so he can be inside of it and warm. It's so cute. And then I just bought some learning items because we're going to start early, period. It's never too early to start your education, and it's never too late to get your education. So no excuses. Whew, that was a lot. I can't imagine doing a try on haul for a baby, like him putting on all these outfits in one day. Who? But what I am probably want to do, like I mentioned earlier, I would do like the shorts, because I can't imagine making a long video every day of getting him dressed. But then again, never say never, because I may, you know. Anyways, that is the end of this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notifications, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Shout out my mucus. Cause you know that be my slime. I swear that girl she a 10. Yeah, keep her around. I swear that girl she a gem.